If this question appears in the exam, do you know the answer? Let's go and explore Japanese coffee culture. Japan is one of the top coffee importers in the world. People in Japan drink about 380 cups of coffee per person each year. The country really likes deep roasted coffee such as Japanese Karakul roasted coffee. After World War II, Japan had problems importing high-quality coffee beans. Also, deep roasted beans are easier to grind into powder, and the strong roasting can hide small problems in the flavor. The Japanese Karakul roasted coffee we make today uses beans that are already roasted deeply. This coffee usually has rich, bitter, and smooth taste with a little caramel sweetness and tobacco smell. If you want to try coffee flavor worldwide without any disappointment, try coffee made by IIMT Coffee Robotics. This high-quality smart coffee robot can meet all your needs from premium coffee. It is a benchmark from premium and smart coffee machines. So, if you're interested, join us now.